In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit your final project and where to save them. The first thing you have to do is that after you finish with designing your app and you check everything is working properly, first go to My Projects, click on Export Selected Project .aia to my computer. This is the file that I can check to see your coding. It has all the blocks, everything. So if your .apk file, the executable one, does not work, I can give you part mark for the design. Without having this .aia, I have no access to your code, so I can't give you anything if your APK doesn't work. So click on Export Selected Project. I have created a folder on my desktop called ics2o0 Summative. You can save this file anywhere you want. But before you save it, make sure you append the file name as your first name, let's say, or John underscore do underscore the name of the file. So first name underscore last name underscore and then the file name, and then click on save. This is going to save the file. The other file I need is .apk. So go to build, click on save.apk to my computer. This is the executable file which I can upload to my device and check it. Click on that one. It's going to start process. You have already gone through this process before. So after the process is done, it's going to tell you where to save the file. Again, we're going to save this file in the same folder with first name and last name appended to the beginning of the file. So I'm going to say save it as, let's say, John underscore do underscore file name. This is a .apk here. So I say save. Now, there is the last file that you have to submit. You use Notepad. So if I start the Notepad, what I want is the link to your YouTube video. How you get it is very simple. You just go to YouTube and start your video, and then copy the address which is on the top in the address bar. So you just copy it, then you go to Notepad again, and then you paste the address. Now, when you make this text file, you save as, you go to the same folder, and this time you save it as John Doe, and then you add a link. That's it. So John, the first name, underscore last name, underscore link. Don't add .txt because it already appends that type to your file. So save this file again. Now, if you go back to your folder, you will see there are three files. .aia file, the text file, which has the link to YouTube, and also the .apk file. These are the three files that you have to submit. Now, where to submit is simple. You go to account, then you go to your My Files, then you go to For Students. Now in For Students, you go to the In folder, and then depending on your period, either period 2 or 3, you go to that folder. Let's say I try period 2. And now you're gonna upload the file. Now the files you can, on my computer, you can do all of them at the same time. If you are unable to submit all three of them at the same time, you do it one by one. You select the files. Let's say I want to select all these three. I select all of them. I select open. You see these three files are here. Then I say upload. My submission is done. I have submitted my .apk, .aia, and the link file, and you are done.